HelloFresh delivery explained. Sorry, I put my hand in your face. We ordered it on Friday and we asked for it to come today, Tuesday. And it did. It's here. It arrived.
They had a allotted time slot.
You could choose the day that you wanted to have it delivered, and it came on that day.
On that day.
And like Imogen said, there was an allotted time slot which we were sent on the day, so we could either know in or arrange to be in as close to that time as possible, so that we could sort it.
Yeah, or they leave it on your porch, but as it's food, you probably don't want to do that.
Or you can actually, when you order your HelloFresh, you can specify where to leave the box. So for example, you can say your shed, back porch, front porch. We went for front porch because you can't get around to the back. They use DPD.
And Yodel.
And Yodel.
It's contradicting though, because DPD is really good.
Yeah.
It's carbon neutral. That's brilliant. But Yodel isn't.
Yeah.
So
it would be good if they could just stick to DPD.
But I feel like it is predominantly DPD, but sometimes it's Yodel.
Yeah.
But yeah, they should just stick to DPD.
They are pretty good with their tracking system, tell you how many stops. So once you've received your time slot of the day, they tell you if your slot's, for example, 50, and they'll tell you how many stops there are before you, which is really good. You can just kind of, if you need to pop to the shop and you know that you're stopped 50 and they're on 40, then you know you've got time.
Tracking's always handy.
Very good. They also leave a photo of where they've left it, which is just an extra peace of mind, I guess, if you're not in. Everything's also was in really good condition. The box wasn't battered. Nothing was bumped around in there. All the food was still good quality, and like it wasn't like bruised or anything, which is.
Yeah, it was fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So they're obviously used to delivering food.